Hello everyone, I am an e-waste manager. I want to give a message to the world. Waste is not waste until we waste it. By recycling, we can change our tomorrow and today. I am going to make a 3D hologram with e-waste material compact disc, which we call CD in short. So let's start. All we need a CD, a ruler, a marker, a cutter, a tape, and yes, a smartphone. First of all, draw 1 centimeter horizontal line, make a half point, and then draw a 5 centimeter vertical line over the center point of horizontal line. Then draw 6 centimeter horizontal line over the vertical line, and lastly join the 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter corner point into diagonal lines. Take CD and mark out 4 identical pieces in the shape of a trapezium. Once you have all 4 trapezium shaped pieces in your hand, just use transparent tape to connect all 4 pieces. You will get a shape that looks like a pyramid without its top peak. You will then need to open a video mean to produce holographic images on your smartphone. The next step is simplest. Just place your creation on your screen and enjoy a science fiction inspired hologram. Thank you.